What up, wonderful people of YouTube? Thanks for stopping by to my channel once again. I'm quite lazy to show my face today. Well, there are those days that you're lazy to shave your facial hair and be in front of the camera. But today we're gonna try to balance our DJI Ronin S, and boy did I find it difficult. Well, maybe at first, but it's about getting used to it later on. But first, click on the subscribe button and turn the notification bell. So let's do this. These are pretty simple steps, so if you could follow along with me, let's start. So I've bulleted into sections the thing we need to do to balance our gimbal. First, out of the box, we need to attach our three main parts together: the gimbal, the BG37 grip or our built-in battery, and then the tripod. The second step is to balance our camera. The gimbal can hold up to maximum capacity load of 3.6 kilograms of weight. This whole Sony camera is up to 1.06 kilograms, so it should be fine. We need to screw this camera mount plate using one of the 1/4 inch screws at the bottom. Find a coin to screw tightly. You're supposed to align the mounting plate to the edge of the camera, but for the sake of this tutorial, let's just put it this way. And then we slide it in front of the mounting plate of our gimbal. This should hold the camera fine, but it will still be mobile. Caution: pressing this little latch releases the camera from the mounting plate, and that's how you take out the camera from the gimbal. So be sure to hold your camera while pressing this so not to drop it. Next, we have to balance the camera by holding the roll motor steady. Move the camera front or back until it is balanced. Then we have to lock it on the side of the mounting plate using this knob. Balancing tilt. For the tilt, we have tilt motor steady with one hand, and then we need to adjust the tilt motor. We adjust the whole weight up and down until we see no movement when we tilt our camera at any angle. For the roll balancing, for the roll it's much easier. We need to adjust the roll motor left or right until the whole the whole weight is balanced. Then we have to lock it. For the pan, balancing the pan axis is quite tricky. We need to move the pan forward or backward until we see no movement if we move our gimbal left or right. So that's it guys for this week's vlog. I hope to see you soon on the next one. And again, be safe and peace out.